Hey BladeOps, here's my theory. If you buy a car, you either have to be willing to fix it yourself, maintain it yourself, or pay someone else to fix it and or maintain it. Change the oil, tires, brakes, stuff like that. If you buy a gun, you have to be willing, and you're going to use it, you have to be willing to take it to a gunsmith to have it cleaned, to have it maintained. If something breaks on it, you have to pay them to fix it, or you can even send it into the manufacturer and have them take care of it if it's under warranty. Likewise, if you buy a knife, in my opinion, I think you need to be willing to maintain that knife. Learn about it, and I think that falls into kind of three categories. You have cleaning, sharpening, and then like knife hardware, pivot screws, pocket clips, stuff like that. So I have a few things out here that we use in our arsenal for our personal collection and knife maintenance. We'll go through it, talk about it, and obviously I'm not the expert, so if you have info, comment down below. Let us know what you think about some of the things we've shown, or maybe a personal touch that you do on your own. Before we get started, just a heads up. With most manufacturers, if you take the knife apart, it voids the warranty. We do not suggest you take your knife apart. If you do, it will void the warranty. You can, with 90% of the manufacturers, you can send your knife in and they'll fix any internal mechanism problem. So with that said, let's go through it. As far as some toolkits goes, here is the Black Box Toolkit by Harley-Davidson, Benchmade knives, and included is a T6, T8, and T10 kind of Torx bit drivers. That's that. There's two of each. It has this little extension that pops out and clips in here. I'll actually do that so you can see what it looks like real quick. Pops in there. You can put the driver bits. Very cool. Get that back in there, and it comes in this nice little carry case. That's the toolkit. This is the Benchmade folding toolkit. It's a little bit bigger, a little bit beefier. We've reviewed this in the project before. Has some hex drivers, Torx drivers, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head, sharpening rod, and even a carbide sharpener and honing slot. So that's a little bit more aggressive. And then obviously you've all seen the Blue Box kit, and it has the same as the Harley-Davidson, the two T6s, T8s, and T10s. So there's the toolkits. Here in the office, since we're doing a lot of work, we have purchased these. This one happens to be the T8 driver. Got a lot of use out of that. That's T10. So that's the kits. As far as hardware, pocket clips, pivot screws, making sure those are tight. Also, if you need to, you can use some blue Loctite. Be cautious with this. It will lock up the threads. It's semi-permanent. So like it says here in the blue line, removable. But if you're doing flipping with your bally song, or you use your folder quite a bit, that's not a bad addition to your maintenance kit. As far as oiling goes and cleaning, I really like this Benchmade Blue Lube. It's lubricant, but it doesn't seem very greasy. You barely need any. Also on a value play, go with some Remington Rem oil. You can get this at Walmart for like under $5. That's a great buy. We don't sell that just because it's inexpensive and you can get it almost anywhere. Also the Benchmade Blue Lube Cleaner. This is for cleaning. Works excellent. Like if you use your knife for box cutting, you have tape on it or dirt, anything like that, squirt some on, comes right off. So that's cleaning and oiling. And then for sharpening, there's a whole gamut of things. This is the Spyderco Sharp Maker. Comes with two different rods in there, and you can do 30 or 40 degrees. The Lansky. There's also Edge Pro. I mean, there's tons of sharpening systems. You can freehand it. Basically, we just wanted to show you a few things to maintain your knife, to clean it, keep it lubed up. If you have any questions about products here, let me know down below. I'll try and answer them, and let me know what you do to maintain your knife. And BladeOps.